Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to disable or how to enable auto adjusting lenses on HTC Vive headsets. So every time when you wearing the headsets, so it's trying to auto adjust the lenses, but if only you use your headset, so you don't need to adjust it every time you trying to install it in your head. So just open settings, and in settings find general here, and right here as you can see we have IPD interpupillary distance. So click on it, and here we have automatic IPD adjustment. So automatically adjust IPD if needed after putting on the headset. So you can disable this feature, and cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.